So the marriage of the girl stopped. These things and all you cannot predict with any other method. He is moving towards moon. Moon is another female planet. So the connection between Venus and Mars gets broken. Okay.
ಹಾಕೊಂಡೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು.
In this case, the boy was engaged. So tomorrow marriage. The girl eloped with someone else. Here Venus is retrograded because his marriage was fixed because there is a connection between Venus and Jupiter. Due to retrogression, she is looking back at Mars. Mars is another male planet. Okay, that's why I told Nadi astrology is very dangerous astrology.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Whether it is male chart, female chart, doesn't matter. Saturn Ketu is there. So the native finds very difficulties in his profession. So he wanted to run away. And he is expecting help from someone. So when Saturn is moving backwards, in the rear there is another planet, Jupiter. Jupiter is his friend. So at the time of his difficulties in his career, someone will come and help him.
I have one question. Jupiter is also retro, same chart.
Then he will not be able to help him. He will also run away. He wanted help from someone, that fellow will be also in the running condition. Okay, understood? Here Jupiter is retrograded. Actually, this fellow is a sannyasi. This fellow is sannyasi. In retrogression, he is just looking back. There one female planet is there. One elderly lady is behind him. He has connections with him. I have not finished it. So, in trying to that moon, there are another two female planets, Venus and Mercury. What happens is, he is running a asrama. One elderly lady comes and started supplying girls to him. So outside he is sannyasi. Backside, back doors.
Because of Jupiter, Ketu, sannyasi.
Kala sannyasi. We can easily find out. You bring any sannyasi's horoscope, we can find out his real condition. Okay, understood? Here, the Jupiter is along with the moon. In trying to moon, there are other two female planets. So, he is enjoying his life. Means he was always surrounded by girls, females. He got fed up with them. And he ran away from them and becomes sannyasi. Because of retrogression. Jupiter is aspected by three female planets. So, the first part of life is maja. Then he gets fed up and run away from females and becomes sannyasi. Again, he will not revert back. Because Jupiter is moving towards Ketu.
Focus.
But when Jupiter becomes direct, then again he will be in that too.
Birth chart is fixed, sir. How he will become direct? Only transit Jupiter will become direct. Your natal Jupiter condition is fixed. You are getting confused.
Vedic transit chart.
Whatever we are talking now, it is birth chart only. The last 2 days, yesterday and today, whatever we are discussing the birth chart only,
Right, sir.
not the transit chart. Transit chart is not pertaining to any person.
It pertains to time only.
That is common for everybody. Transit chart is common for everybody, not belong to any particular person. Okay, don't get confused. So Vakra, how it works, understood? Any more examples are required? You can put any number of examples, but you should understand the concept. That's all the idea. Apply Karakatvas. Enough, or I have to put some more examples? Enough.
Your book also.
Then we go to Parivartana Yoga. Go to Parivartana Yoga. Parivartana Yoga. Oh, symbols. Here there is a exchange of two planets, Mercury and Mars. So what happens is, this one example chart, I have seen her directly actually, she is known to her. She has married 5 times. She has married 5 times. How you know? First marriage itself, love marriage. Because the Venus is moving towards Mercury. So one boy was coming to her house, they had a love, then they married. When she was living with him, another boy was coming to her house. She developed a love with him. Then this fellow came to know and divorced that husband and married this fellow. When she was living with him, another fellow entered. Like that 5 times repeated. Because there is a exchange between Mercury and Mars. These always two fellows will be fighting for this lady. Or she will be playing double game always.
3 times 5 times ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಹೇಳೋದು.
Huh?
3 times 5 times ಅನ್ನೋದೇ.
See, the exchanging planets, if both are monthly planets, the event will repeat several times. The exchanging planet, one planet is yearly planet, then it will happen only once. Because suppose if there is a exchange of Saturn, if that Saturn has to come to the same position, it will take 30 years. By the time she will become old, it will not repeat several times. But whereas this Mercury and Mars, once in a year they will come to the same position. So there is a possibility every year it may happen.
அவன் கிளியல் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா?
இல்லை சார், காப்பி அடிக்கிறது நம்ம பற்றியா
நமக்கு இன்னும் தெரியுமில்ல சார், நமக்கு இன்னும் தெரியும்.
Here Venus and Moon, they are exchanging their houses. So in between Jupiter is there, male native. So two females will be always fighting for him. And he will have several. Both are fast moving planet. So every year he will change partner.
ಮೂರು ವೀನಸ್ ವರ್ಷ ಆಗೋದು.
Vice versa ಅಂದ್ರೆ Moon is in Venus house, Venus in Moon's house. This is called Parivartana. See, first you will have contact with Venus. Then in exchange it will go here, Moon will come here. Then you will have contact with Moon. Then again, and next year, no, same thing will repeat. Every year you will keep changing the ladies. I have seen one fellow. He married about 7 ladies.
அதுக்கு ஒரு கொடுப்பினை விடுது.
So all things are there in life. All kind of unusual things.
There was one movie in Kannada, Ibbara Endira Muddina Police. It will be like that.
So Sun Saturn combination, sir. Exchange, because all these are
It is not just exchange, no meaning.
Hmm.
Before exchange, what was the combination? After exchange, what is the combination? That you have to see. Simply exchange means we are not giving any prediction.
Saturn Rahu Leo and Sun Mercury
No,
Pisces.
that's what I am telling now. Here he just try to understand this Jupiter is moving towards Venus. Then Venus goes here.
Understood.
Moon comes. Then he has contact with Moon. So like that you have to see before exchange what is the combination. After exchange what is the combination you have to see.
Jupiter with self-fear.
Parivartana Yoga, I can give thousands of examples. But no use. Then you will not understand anything. You have to understand the concept, that's all.
But Sun
See here. Which planets are involved in exchange?
Venus, Saturn.
Venus, Saturn. This is a male chart. This is the chart of a person who came for my class. I straight away told him, you have married someone else's wife.
Else wife.
Because Venus is along with Mars, she is already married. Or at least she had intercourse with someone before marriage. So after exchange, first this Venus is with Mars, a male planet. She had connection with one male. After exchange, the Venus comes to Libra and joins Jupiter. Jupiter is self. That means she is not chaste. Already used. I told him, then immediately he agreed. Because here in the chart, Rahu was somewhere here. So husband is short-lived. Husband is short-lived. Within a week, no, husband expired. Immediately after marriage, within a week, husband expired. These two people, no, they were just neighbors. This boy's mother and girl's mother, no, they were friends. Then this boy's mother told her, okay, I will just tell my son to marry your daughter. She was a widow.
இது வந்து மேல் சார்ட் தானே சார்?
இது மேல் சார்ட் சார். வீனஸ் ஒய்ஃப், ஜூபிட்டர் செல்ஃப்.
இங்க ராகு இருக்கிறதுனால அந்த வீனஸுடைய ஹஸ்பண்ட் இருந்துட்டாருங்களா?
ஆமா. Some male planet.
Venus plus Rahu.
Venus.
Okay, understand. This concept.
See, Mars is another male planet. That fellow died. Who was with her? And this fellow was like some sannyasi. This fellow, no, he was like he was just simply roaming here and there. He was not having any responsibility. So this boy's mother was thinking nobody will give a girl to him. So this is the best match. So this Saturn will go here, Venus will come here and join Jupiter. She has been already penetrated.
So Saturn is slow moving, Venus is fast moving. So then the exchange will happen.
That's why stopped with the second one itself. Yes, sir, I told no, if both are monthly fast moving planets, the event will take place several times. The exchanging planet, at least one planet is yearly planet, slow moving planet, then the event will take place only once. See, Venus is along with Mars. Mars is a male planet. Venus is a female planet. That means this Venus is somebody else's wife. Really? After exchange, the Venus joins another male planet. Jupiter. That is self. No, it could be a female chart also. secret you cannot find out from other methods. Yes.
In case of exchange between Jupiter and Venus,
So again I am telling
no,
you, just you are
having to say event will not happen several times.
you are talking about this.
Not this. Normal. If the exchange between the Jupiter and Venus, will the event take several times?
No.
You did not understand what I said. Out of exchanging planets, if one planet is yearly and the slow moving planet, then the event will take place only once. You didn't notice.
It should get conjunct with the self.
No, Jupiter is yearly, of course.
It should get conjunct with self.
In male chart, if Jupiter and Venus they are having exchange, what happens now? The boy will go to his house always. Girl will go to her house. They will not be living together. Generally. In case of female chart, if there is a exchange between Mars and Venus, then same problem. Here there is a exchange of okay. This is a male chart. So I have seen two persons chart, similar chart, no difference. Some fellows are asking, KP fellow, these both are same, then how the same kind of events will take place, like that they will be asking. Here, two students, they came to me. One is the chart of his son, another one is that boy himself came for class. Okay. What happened is, from Bangalore, one family, they have gone to Pondicherry by car. So, the boy was driving the car. Somewhere on the way now they have stopped for having some snacks and tea in the midnight. So then father told him, you are driving for long distance, you take for rest for some time. I will drive the car. So they have exchanged. The boy has gone backside. Father started driving the car. Not only some 2-3 kilometers, the car met with accident. Father died on the spot. Boy escaped.
Because of Rahu.
Because of this Parivartana.
And
When Jupiter was in danger, at the time, the father's son comes for his rescue.
so, because Rahu is there, it gives less Markandeya Yoga.
In another case, same combination only, same position of planets only, the boy lost both kidneys. Both kidneys have become
failure, kidney failure.
Non-functional. Father donated one kidney and made him to survive. See, always don't expect the same kind of event. Similar event don't expect. Slight variations will be there. Both cases, father came and saved the native. Okay. This is also main chart. So cancer is a watery sign. Cancer is a watery sign. What kind of watery? It's a river. Why it is river? This is water sign plus chara rasi. Chara means running water. When he went to the river to take bath, no, he was taken away by the water. Why? Immediately after Jupiter, who is sitting? Rahu is the mouth of Kalapurusha. He is trying to swallow him. He is in danger. Then mother comes for rescue. So due to the exchange of moon and Jupiter, Jupiter escapes from the Rahu's clutches. And mother, so mother died. Son saved.